destiny start. I pray that the hand of God will continually strengthen you even beyond this.
We have our family, we want to wish you happy birthday. We give God all the glory for your life, and we thank you for bringing this far.
Our prayer is that the Lord has received us in prayer, that the path continues to shine bright.
Let's go inside. Amish. Come inside.
Greetings, and Cape Town, South Africa. I'm making this video to say a very happy birthday to one of God's great generals in these days that we're living in, Pastor Dave.
My wife and I and our entire family are so excited that God brought you our way.
You will see the next one. You will see one more in Jesus' precious name. While this session was on, His Excellency
now you have to shift. If I tell you to shift now.
when you see a man, he also has stories to tell.
Some of you are in the wrong place. Are you getting what I'm saying? Of God for your life before you were born. So it must be your primary goal, must be the primary goal of every person.